Hello friends, this is Kamlesh and you are watching GearUpWindows YouTube channel. In this video, you will see how to create an ISO file from RAR. If you have bigger file on RAR and you want to convert on ISO without extracting into a folder, then this video is going to helpful for you. I will show you with proof. For that, first I will create an ISO file from a folder and I will show you every details after that. So let me create one folder, then I put something in all it, and then I will create a RAR file from it. So I have done it now. This is one RAR file and I want to convert it into a ISO file. So I will download one file that's name is AnyToISO. You can find this link on this video description also. So you need to download this small utility. It is around 9 MB in size. You need to download for Windows, and there is also one application available for Mac OS. So let me download for Windows first, and I will show you mount and show the content of the folder that I have created in front of you. So after downloading, install it on your PC to move further. So as you might know, if you have Windows 11 machine, then you can mount any ISO. So I will show you mounting also, and on mounted drive there should be one folder and one file only and nothing else. There should be not exist any RAR file because I am converting it into ISO one. So after installing, open like this AnyToISO application and drag your RAR file to this application. After that, select convert to ISO image. On this one tab, you need to select convert to ISO image. As you can see here, RAR file, and this one will create one ISO file. If you want, you can change the path by clicking on this also. So I am going to create on the same place, so I am not changing its path. After that, click on this one convert button, and you can see there is one more file. This one is, I will show you, this one is ISO file, and I am going to mount in my PC so I can see its content, how it is working. So right click on it and select open with, and then click on Windows Explorer. This will mount ISO on your Windows 11 machine. As you can see, I had put single file on ISO. So I will show you, this one is mounted drive, and after opening, this one exists only, and this one folder has been converted into ISO. I have directly converted this one RAR file to ISO one. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video. If you are new to GearUpWindows channel, subscribe to my channel. Thank you.